Hey loves, welcome back to my channel Expert Empire. In this video I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful fabric rose flower. This is a very easy DIY and it is beginner friendly. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Now let's get started. So I'll be making use of this shiny face satin material, and the length here is 22 inches. Okay, the length of my fabric is 22 inches and I already have it on fold, and the measurement there is 1.5 inches. So when you open it up, it's 3 inches. So you can see I already went ahead to serge the edges. Okay, I already serged the edge of this fabric, okay, to make it look neat and nice by the time I'm done. So this is my needle and thread. I already have it threaded. Then I would go ahead and start to make gathers on the fabric. You can see I'll just fix my needle in and out, and then I'll pull gently. Okay, I'll keep repeating the same process, in and out, and I'll pull it out. Okay, I'll pull the thread gently. So I'll just keep going like that until I'm at the other edge. Okay, so you just keep doing the same thing, in and out, and pull gently, in and out, and I'll pull gently. So I'll keep repeating this till I get to this other edge. I'm at the other edge right now, and then what I'll do is to go ahead and arrange the flower with my fingers. Just watch what I'm doing. I'll just go ahead and arrange it, and then I think I'm okay with what I have. So now I can pull the thread to make it firm. Okay, so you can see the flower. Now I would go ahead and tack with using my needle and thread. All right, so I'll just put that part in like this, and then I'll start to tack. Pass my needle in and out just like this. So you can keep doing this until you get a desired result. Okay, and as you tack, you also go ahead and arrange the rows the way you want it to be. Okay, so I'll keep doing that. Okay, I'll just keep tacking until I'm satisfied with what I have. Okay, so now I'm okay with the result I have. It's time to knot. So I'll just pass my needle like so, and then I'll tie the knot right there. Okay, I'll tie the knot twice to secure it firmly. So after that, I'll go ahead and cut off the thread. Voila, I'm done. You can see the outcome. This is a beautiful fabric rose flower looking so nice and neat. If you find this video helpful, please give it a massive thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Please share this video with your fellow soulmate family and friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.